and you look over the men you'll be working with. They've broken up now into groups. A few are batting their gums in a corner.
Well, I guess I'll round up my heathen brethren and we'll be on our way.
Standing on the conquered land, that's where the column stands. Where atoms turn rocks into sand. Where scrolls rewritten and the gold goes missing. Locks on the Fort Knox get popped off quicker than bras in the Guinness. Would it not skill from the palm kill, blood spill on the high hill. For the paper, Roman gladiators told the ballot fit, we could show the haters, burn the pages, so they never know the way, cut it from the root. They're hiding in plain view, it's gems in the tomb. That's propaganda in the cartoons with war looms. Dr. Seuss for the youth, keep them glued to the tube. Golden rule, give them two sides to choose. And who live and who dies is who sides with truth. The winners sip the fruit, configure the institute, give us high praise. When you see us, you salute. Salute.
I'm not the type to hold niggas back, I just distance myself, keeping goals intact. Fools fall, then relapse, pour the jack in the chalice. Leave my people so they know when to act or react. It's a difference, moving like I brought a whole pound to the scrimmage. I ain't really tryna go clown for an image. Speak less than you listen, and me and Jay probably smoke an ounce over dinner on some off shit. Change perspectives, switch to optics, cause all the people where I'm from hate cops, no racists. Us against the uniforms, know we on the pavement. Treat us like they really want us back on them slave ships. They destroyed the Panthers, but the KKK lives. Summed it up and I barely had to say shit. Soul ain't from this earth, I just spent a couple days here, smoking purple haze on the way to the spaceship.